Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove language switcher from the task bar on Windows 11. So how to remove it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your time and language. Go to your typings. Click on advanced keyboard settings. After doing this step, first of all check it the let me use a different input method for each app windows, and also check it use the desktop language bar when it's available. After doing this step, click on a language bar options. Make sure that it's selected a hidden. Click on apply and okay. Now you can see that the language bar will be removed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.